Let's review how to use the blur accordion on the imager page of Toolkit.law. Select the Suite section, then the Creative Suite, and open the imager page. Click on the Blur Accordion title bar to access this resource. Here, you can start choosing your image source. Upload from your device or securely connect to Box, Clio, Dropbox, Google Drive, or OneDrive, and the file opens instantly in the editor. Then, draw a selection box over any sensitive area, such as a face, license plate, or confidential financial detail. Adjust the blur intensity using the control slider, and zoom in or out for precise placement. Use a lighter blur for partial masking, or increase intensity to fully conceal the content. If revisions are needed, select the reset icon to clear the selection and reapply. Use the live preview panel to confirm exactly how the final redacted exhibit will appear before saving. Once done, download the protected image in court-accepted formats. You can also instantly print, copy, or share the file securely via email from within the platform. Built for legal professionals who prioritize confidentiality, efficiency, and compliance, this tool simplifies visual redaction without leaving your browser. And that's how you use Toolkit.law's Blur Accordion.